Welcome to Ham Social Distancing! So, welcome back to Ham's Views. And here we are again. Another social distancing vlog. And today, we're heading out to Jennings Falls, located out of Lower Brighton, New Brunswick, right outside of Heartland also. So, let's get to traveling. Just some random plant or flower we found on the trail on the way to the falls. Decided to stop, take a look, open her up, see what it's all about. Yeah, this kind of looks like it'd be a campsite. This is it right here. You can hear the falls down there, raging pretty hard.
Yes.
How you make it out?
I'm sliding down because it's really icy and I'm very clumsy. Thank you.
Probably not the safest time to come to the falls because she's pretty slippery and still icy and snow on the ground everywhere. But oh well, social distancing at its finest. They're going to head back up because it's still very icy and not ready for us to actually walk on the trail and get down here. So I'm going to travel the rest of the way down by myself. Oh shit! Nope, that's not going to hold me. So here we are underneath a big rock. Falls over to the left of me. We're almost there. It was a sketchy trek down here, but let's get to the falls and see what she's all about. So here we are. We made it to the falls. So I found these logs that go to the other side. I'm gonna see if I can get across. So we're on the other side of the falls. On the way back up to it, holy shit. Trying to find a decent route that's not so slippery and treacherous. Where they're on the other side of the falls, let's take some stick shots, but he's a raging old beast. Nature at its finest, social distancing. Ham's Views vlog. Class D's is art, bud. Well, back up the hill and out we go after seeing the waterfall. Here comes Melissa and Hayden up the hill. Well, that's another social distancing vlog from Ham's Views. That was Jennings Falls in Lower Brighton N.B, right outside of Woodstock and Heartland. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Later.
Maybe it's because of that four-wheeler. He probably drove and unblocked.
It's the sun, Hayden. We've been out for like 3 hours. The sun makes a big difference.